Mike Hughes here. I'm at Infiniti Scuba, and this is a VR game or something. And then I'm here with Reagan.
Yeah,
and you want to tell us a little bit about it?
Yes, this is right now I'm demoing the VR game. It's basically a version. It's a small part of the Belize dive site from the full game Infiniti Scuba, and it's been turned into VR where you wear a headset, you're able to see it in virtual reality. Whereas in the actual game, it's not. You're just on a computer screen and you just play through it as a regular game would. However, this isn't really like the regular game where you don't actually, you can't move yourself. However, you're able to shine a light and stuff, you're able to look around, and you just kind of slowly float through the dive site.
And you do that through putting this on, system on?
This is called the Oculus Rift.
Okay, Oculus Rift.
Yeah.
Sounds ominous.
It kind of does, and this particular game is called, it's specifically called Dive with Silvia VR.
Okay.
And Silvia Earl helped make this game. The money, if you have an Oculus Rift, you can go to the gallery, which is a place where you basically download games, buy games, and this game is there, and it's for $4.99. And Silvia Earl actually helped make this game. She chose the Belize dive site because there are whale sharks.
Because it's unbelievable. So she chose the dive site.
Yeah, because she loves whale sharks. At least she likes them enough to say that she wanted to see whale sharks. And it's like, if you're playing the game, if you're just looking at the screen, which you can, it does play on the screen and in the Oculus Rift, you just kind of see the whale shark.
Are you swimming next to it, or?
Yeah, you actually do. You see the whale shark, but you don't see the enormity of it. When you're wearing the headset, you really see the size, the scope of what it is. And the game kind of gives you a glimpse of what it's like to actually be diving.
Now, is it easy to show on this screen, or do you have to see it through the headphones?
You can see it on this screen. However, I could just get it started for you. I just put this on, and then you can kind of video it in there.
Right.
Yeah.
That's okay. We'll watch you put that on.
All right. So I put it on. I'm just gonna put it on like this, and as you see, it started already.
Oh yeah.
All right.
The minute you put it on,
yeah,
it's on the screen moving.
It does that automatically.
Okay.
All right. Now.
Good thing you knew where the chair was.
So now I'm just gonna do this. There. All right. I'm gonna reset it. You have to have it in front of you. It's really interesting. It knows when you take it on and off. It's very
intuitive.
Intuitive, yes. So here I am. Here is my gauge over here, and this is my flashlight, and I can click it on.
That's your flashlight. Oh yeah, and I can see the flashlight move when you move it over there. Cool.
And you can kind of see your hand and. Yeah. And if I turn on the light, name it there, it turns the game starts. Alright? And over there is Dr. Silvia Earl.
Okay.
And if I look up, see the boat?
Yes, we see the boat.
Where we've just descended from. All the wonderful memories. And here we begin our dive. And there's the buoy that tells us there's divers down here.
Okay.
Sorry.
No, that's okay. I was standing near the buoy.
And the pool moves. Now, every single dive is a little bit different. Like those fish over there. Now, the rocks are always going to be the same, but there's going to be different fish. Like
okay, because they're always moving around.
Yeah, and of course the eel is going to always be there, because that's just kind of a
oh yeah, popping out of there.
Yeah, there's an eel there, and there's another whale over here. There's kind of a crevasse over there, and the eel's going to be in there.
I'll probably lose your voice a little bit on this thing as you're turning around.
Yeah, there's another eel.
But you got to move in all directions in order to see the whole reef.
There's a manta ray
cool.
up there. Yeah. There's our gauge, and it's kind of hard to read it, but so it kind of shows us where we are. It's actually realistically where it shows us where we'd be if this was real life. Here are trumpet fish. They swim vertically because they evade predators. Because anything below them will only see dots as opposed to like a fish.
Less of a.
And we can kind of reach out. We can't touch them obviously, but we can kind of pass through them.
Okay.
Yeah, and there's Silvia Earl joining us back.
Right.
Like a good dive buddy.
Yeah, where'd she go for a while? I tell you.
She went under there and we went above it. And she's just kind of, if you look at her.
Now, how long's the dive?
The dive is only 5 minutes long, and it kind of
like it says on the screen.
Yeah, it kind of abruptly stops. After you see your second whale shark, you'll see 2 whale sharks.
See 2 whale sharks.
One will swim above you, and one will swim right next to you, and you'll be able to see it. Those are
we really get into it.
Those are Goliath groupers,
right?
And that's a sea turtle. And there's urchins down there, sea urchins. And, and like if you're here, like you're really those sea urchins are pretty large. And I'm not sure how large but I've seen them in real life. I'm not sure how large these. I'm not sure the different types.
Well, that's okay.
I've never been to Belize, but it kind of feels like I have. I've at least been here.
There we go again, looking at the reef.
Yeah, well, the reef is wonderful, and it's very vibrant.
Cool. Well, I'm going to have to run to a different coral place, although it seems kind of unreal. So I'm going to zip off. But so if they want more information about this, where are they going to go?
You could go to infinitescuba.com.
Infinitescuba.com, and I'm going to just look at this brochure right here.
Yeah.
Just put a .com at the end of Infinite Scuba, and you got it. Well,
Awesome.
Reagan, I think thank you for this presentation. Now, how's the bright light affecting you now?
It's a little bit bright, but it's fine.
Cool. Thank you very much.